Hi, my name is Andy Wirt with Fathom Realty, and I wanted to give you a December market update. First of all, Merry Christmas. Hope you're doing well. Wish you a great holiday season. I'm going to share my screen right now to share some things that I find really interesting as we're looking at the market. And I just want to point out some statistics and some interesting things to you. First of all, just remember that it's really important to think locally when you're thinking about real estate information. You're going to hear national news, but that doesn't necessarily correlate to Central Ohio. So what's going on right here in Central Ohio? These are, of course, stats that have come out. They're October stats, but that means they come out late November, early December. So we're right on target with these. Overall, what you need to know is that closed sales for 2023 are down from 2022 almost 15%. That makes people's lives like mine difficult, but it is interesting for the market. And here's what some of those other things mean. In contracts are also down. Obviously, less homes are selling overall. But if you're a seller, the average sale price for 2023 has gone up almost 5%. And from year over year to last year, it's up over 6%. So if you're a seller, that means that even though the market is different than it was last year at this time, interest rates have changed things. Again, if you're a seller, be thinking in terms of values are still out there. And for you homeowners, homes are continuing to increase and go up in value, just not at the same outrageous pace that it has been in the last few years, but they're still going up, which is great news for any homeowner or seller. A couple other numbers here that I wanted to take note of is that homes are selling about at list price. So percent of original list price received, 0.5%. That means on average, homes are selling about list price. Lots of the crazy stuff that was happening previously in the market with homes selling way over list price, buyers paying way over appraised value, sellers getting away without buyers doing an inspection, that kind of thing. Those kind of things have slowed down and kind of come to a minimum now. The market's a little bit more even, still a seller's market, but it's a little bit more even than it was because there's less buyers out there because the interest rates continue to be high. So other statistics that might be interesting for you as we're looking at this are days on market are pretty similar to last year, 5%. But I did want to point out down here, we can see that the inventory of homes for sale is similar to what it was last year. But look at this. The month supply of inventory is up over 14%. So what that means is that there's about the same level of inventory, a little bit more than there was last year at this time. But because there's a little bit less demand in the market, a little bit more even market, homes that aren't priced right or aren't immediately ready to sell are hanging on the market. We weren't seeing that last year at this time. Anything was selling immediately. It's not like that anymore. So it's really important for a seller to price well and have the home ready to sell right out of the gate. I wanted to remind you that for buyers, interest rates have gone down. They were up over 8% just about a month ago. Right now, interest rates are in the low sevens. So that makes a huge difference in increasing buying power for buyers. And I believe we're going to see a strong buying market even through the holidays with that in mind. So I'd love to help you consult on your particular situation. If I can be of service to you, analyzing the market for you as a buyer, seller, or investor, please let me know how I can be helpful. And if you know anybody looking to buy or sell a home in late 2023 or early 2024, I would love it if you would send me their name and information in that referral. So again, thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you. And I hope your end of your 2023 is fabulous. God bless.